you have to start with the practice set 6.1. First example, find the mean time spent by the student for their study by direct method. Here the data is given, the number of students and time in hours. The number of students, when 7 students spent 0 to 2 hours for the studies, 18 students spent 2 to 4 hours for the studies, 12 students spent 4 to 6 hours for the studies, 10 students spent 6 to 8 hours for the study, and 3 students spent 8 to 10 hours for the study. And you have to find out the mean time spent by the student for their study by direct method. You have to solve this by direct method. For direct method, you have to prepare the chart like this. In first column you have to write class, in second column you have to write class mark. Here the frequency you have to write frequency. This is the frequency, this is the class. This is class, this is frequency. All the classes you have to write in this column, all the frequencies you have to write in this column. You have to find out the class mark. Here 0 to 2 hours, 2 to 4 hours, 4 to 6 hours, 6 to 8 hours, 8 to 10 hours. These are the classes, and you have to find out the class mark. How you have to find out the class mark? This is the lower limit of the class, this is the upper limit of the class. Lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. In the same manner, you have to find out the class mark. 2 plus 4 divided by 2, 4 plus 6 divided by 2, 6 plus 8 divided by 2, and 8 plus 10 divided by 2. At that time class marks will come. Class mark of the first class is 1. Class mark of the second class is 3. Class mark of the third class is 5. Class mark of the fourth class is 7. And class mark of the fifth class is 9. So these are the frequencies. Frequencies are 7, 18, 12, 10 and 3. 7, 18, 12, 10 and 3. So you have to write the frequency in this column. So you have to do the sum of the frequency. 7 plus 18 plus 12 plus 10 plus 3 is equal to 50. Then you have to find out the product of the frequency and the class mark. So you have to say that product of Fi into Xi. This one is Fi, this one is Xi. 7 multiplied by 1 is equal to 7. 18 multiplied by 3 is equal to 54. 12 multiplied by 5 is equal to 60. 10 multiplied by 7 is equal to 70. And 3 multiplied by 9 it is equal to 27. Then you have to do the sum of the Fi. Sum of the Fi means you have to do the sum of these things. Sum of this 7 plus 54 plus 60 plus 70 plus 27 is equal to 218 will come. This is the sum of Fi. By direct method, the formula to find the mean is x bar is equal to sum of Fi upon sum of Fi. Sum of Fi is 218 and sum of Fi is 50. 218 divided by 50 is equal to 4.36. Means this is the mean. So you will say that the mean time spent by the student is 4.36 hours. Means 4 hours and 36 minutes. In this way, you have to find out the mean by the direct method. You have to prepare the chart like this. In first column class, second column class mark, third column frequency, and fourth column Fi into Xi, frequency into class mark. You have to find out the sum of the frequency. You have to find out the sum of the frequency. You have to find out the sum of the frequency into class mark. That is sum of Fi Xi. You have to put these values in the formula and you have to find out the mean. In this way you have to solve this example. Student, properly you have to write this example in the classwork notebook. Thank you.